Welcome back to Lord Gizmo, where we turn raw wilderness into a fortress. For true survival, you need more than just a quick lean-to. You need a base, and it starts with the earth itself. The first crucial step is locating the perfect spot and carving out the foundation. We're not just building on the ground, we're building into it. This technique provides natural insulation, camouflage, and protection from the elements. Next, we venture deeper into the forest, selectively choosing and harvesting straight, sturdy saplings. These will form the skeleton of our shelter. Every tree is chosen with respect and precision. To ensure longevity and a tight build, the bark is stripped clean. This slows down decay and reduces the chance of rot, a small detail that could mean the difference between life and death in the wild. The vertical pillars are set deep into the soil. These main support beams must be immovable, secured firmly to bear the weight of the entire structure. Now the shaping begins. Flexible green saplings are bent under tension to create the distinctive arched roofline. This dome shape is incredibly strong and allows rain and debris to easily shed off. The initial frame is then covered with a durable, dark tarp. This layer acts as the primary moisture barrier, ensuring the interior remains absolutely dry. Every corner must be securely tied down. To anchor the tarp and complete the earth shelter design, we shovel the excavated dirt and rocks up and over the sides. This locks the structure down, completely camouflages it, and adds a crucial layer of natural thermal mass for insulation. Inside, the front wall is clad with dozens of smaller vertical logs. This creates a solid, robust, and beautiful surface that forms the interior walls of our cozy den. Even the floor is elevated, supported by crossbeams and laid with split planks. This platform keeps us above the cold, damp ground. Creating a dry and comfortable living space. Next comes the most unique part, the front facade. We construct a durable door frame and an intricate, diamond-shaped pattern from small, peeled branches. This isn't just a home, it's a work of art. For heat and cooking, we source rock and clay for a proper masonry fireplace. The natural clay is mixed with water to create a strong mortar, allowing us to build a durable, functioning chimney and hearth. But what is a fortress without its guardian? Using the remaining clay and stone, a watchful sculpture is brought to life. He's more than decoration. He's a spirit guardian for the secluded retreat. Back at the front, cut firewood logs are mortared in place, forming the final, striking front wall. This technique, known as Cordwood masonry, is not only insulating but visually stunning. Circular windows are cut sealed tightly with a layer of mud, covered with thin, clear plastic from repurposed bottles. They provide a view and natural light while keeping the elements out. And finally, the ultimate camouflage. Layers of lush, living moss are painstakingly gathered and applied to the earth-covered roof and the stone guardian. This transforms the shelter into a seamless part of the natural landscape. The secret, cozy, earth-sheltered home is complete. A warm fire glows within, providing a perfect sanctuary from the wild. From a simple patch of dirt to a self-sufficient cabin, this is the ultimate, camouflaged, and luxurious survival shelter. Stay sharp, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next build on Lord Gizmo.